Sit comfortable. Keep your palms facing towards ceiling. Always use a yoga block or pillow under your buttocks. Spine straight. If sitting on a floor is difficult, you can sit on the bed or chair. Inhale, exhale gently. Slow and long breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Set the right intention for what reason you are here. Keep repeating in your mind, I am strong, healthy. My baby is healthy and happy. Repeat this. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, relax. While inhale, repeat, I'm strong in your mind. Exhale, relax. You can keep your right palm on your stomach, left palm on your chest. Connect with your baby. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, relax. Inhale, up. Exhale. Talk to your baby in your mind. Make him relaxed. Whenever you are ready, join your both palms together. You can chant Om 3 times. Inhale. Mantra. Inhale. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanat Mrityor Mokshiyamamrita. Relax. Take a deep inhalation, exhalation. Grab your palm and raise from here. Place it on your eyes. Feel the warmness. Massage your whole body. Bend forward slowly. Slowly open your eyes, keeping the palm on your thigh. Remove the block. Keep your legs straight. Your spine should be straight. Never do hyperextension. Place your elbows softly. Finger movement. Inhale, squeeze your fingers. Exhale, up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Keep half feet gap between the legs. Ankle forward. Exhale, up. Inhale, forward. Exhale. Inhale, forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just gentle stretch. Don't stretch too much. Inhale, forward. Exhale, straight. Ankle rotation clockwise. Reverse. Relax. Now bend your right knee. Interlock your finger. Keep it under your thigh. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Change. Now hold your breath. Keep inhalation, exhalation continuous. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, relax. Now bend your both knee in Baddha Konasana. Keep the pillow under your buttocks. Half feet gap between your leg. Inhale. Keep your palm on your thigh or on the calf muscle and slowly rotate. Circular motion. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Change. Make a big circle. You can keep a pillow under your thigh and start rotating. Change. Relax. Now remove the pillows. Inhale. Keep your right palm right side and lateral bend. Stay on your fingertip. Gentle. Keep your elbow gentle and soft. Relax. Now open your both palm in front of you, make a fist and wrist rotation gently. Opposite. Relax. Keep your fingers on your shoulder rotation. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down. Five times each side, anti-clockwise. Relax your palm. Now make a big circle. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down. Opposite. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, up, exhale down, up, exhale down. Relax your palm. Now inhale, neck exercise, look up, exhale down, inhale up. If you have a neck injury, just keep your head straight. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down, up, down. Relax. Now keep your left palm on your head and stretch towards left side. Gentle stretch. Change. Inhale, exhale gently. Change. Few more repetition. Relax. Next, neck rotation. Keep your chin on the chest. Clockwise, make a big circle. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Always keep your eyes open. Those who have neck pain, just keep your head straight. Change. Relax. Open your both legs in the front. Come to child pose. Come here. Come to all four. Your elbow should be softly placed. Half feet gap between the leg. Inhale. Look up. Exhale, hunch back, cat and cow. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Relax in child pose. Knee wide open.